Hey future developers, welcome to CodeNFacts, where every line of code brings you closer to mastering Python. Let's simplify concepts, building confidence and grow step by step. If you have learned about keywords, operators, comments and input in the last video, then today is your turn to put the knowledge into practice. Let's start your basics with some questions. First question is that which of these can be used as a variable name in the Python, and here are three options: that if, for and my underscore name. As we know, if and for are the keywords reserved by Python, so they cannot be used as variable. So the answer will be option C, my underscore name. And the second question is state true or false. And given is true, false and none are keywords in Python. These represent special constant values in Python, so the answer will be true. Now we are going to cover some questions based on operators. And the third question is write a program to take two numbers from the users and print their sum, difference and product and also remainder. As we discussed in the previous video, to take input from the user we use input function, and to get the sum, difference, product and remainder we use the arithmetic operators. So the program will be this type. You can run this program and see the output. Now the first number question is what will be the output of this code. Here x is equal to 5 and again x plus equals 3. We have to print x. So first the variable x has a value that is 5 and again x plus equals 3 means x equals x plus 3. Initially we have x equals to 5, so the next value of x will be x plus 3, that is 5 plus 3 equals 8. So the answer will be 8. And the next question is predict the output, where a equal to 10, b equal to 5, and we have to print that a greater than b and b less than 2. Here the variable a and b are storing values 10 and 5 respectively, and here a is greater than b, but the value of b is not less than 2. So the answer will false, because although a greater than b is true, but b is less than 2 is false, and true and false gives us false. Now question number 6 based on comments. Write both a single line and multi-line comment in Python. As discussed, we use hash for single line comment and triple quotes for multi-line comment, so this will be as this. Remember one thing, that comments don't affect your code, they are just for clarity. Next question is state true or false. Comments can be written inside a line of code. Yes, this is true. Here is how can we use. Here is the example that you can use. Now the question is based on input practice. Question is that take two numbers and print their average. Here for taking number input from the user, we have to use the general syntax, which is data type and then input function. Now for getting their average, we have to add them first and then divide with 2, as we have to find the average between two numbers. So the code will be as this. And that's wraps up today's Python practice session. If you got most answer right, great, good job coders. If not, don't worry, just rewind, practice again and you will master these basics in most time. In the next video, we will start learning about conditions in Python, if, else and elif, one of the most important topics in Python programming. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe to CodeNFacts for more Python lessons. Keep coding, keep creating.